How to withdraw crypto from Binance to another wallet or exchange. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to another wallet or exchange. So firstly, you want to go to your wallet icon in the top right and then click on Overview. Then in the top right, you want to click on Withdraw, which will take you to the Withdraw Crypto screen. In the top drop down, you want to pick the crypto you plan to withdraw by either searching or scrolling. In this example, I'm going to withdraw USDT. You will then need the wallet address of where you want to send your crypto to, which you will get from your other wallet or exchange. In this example, I'm going to transfer my USDT to Bybit, but generally speaking, you can find the wallet address of where you are transferring your crypto to by going to the other exchange and looking for something along the lines of deposit or deposit crypto. If you want a tutorial for a specific exchange that you may be using, then I recommend checking out my channel, as I have lots of videos explaining how to find wallet addresses on loads of different exchanges. So if I go over to Bybit now, and once you are in the deposit crypto section, you would then pick the crypto you want to deposit. So in my case, USDT. Then to get your wallet address on Bybit, you need to pick the network you plan to send your crypto on. If we flip back to Binance for a second, you can see all the networks that Binance can send USDT on and their associated fees and estimated arrival times. I'm going to pick one of the cheaper but faster ones, which is Optimism, and I'm now going to go back to Bybit and check that Bybit can receive USDT on Optimism, which they can, as I can see, Op Mainnet. For those who don't know, Op Mainnet was formerly called Optimism. So now I have picked the network. Bybit has given me my wallet address for this specific crypto and network. Wallet addresses will vary if you change either your cryptocurrency or network, and it's critical to pick the correct corresponding wallet address and network when transferring crypto, otherwise you risk losing your funds. I'm going to copy my wallet address from Bybit. It's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. So now I'm back on Binance. I'm going to paste the wallet address here. I will then make sure the network is set to Optimism, as this network type corresponds to that of the wallet address I am sending to on Bybit. Next, you want to key in the amount you want to send. So I've keyed in 10, and you can see any associated network fees below this. It's always worth reviewing the crypto, wallet address, and network and any other details before sending. And if it's your first time transferring to a wallet, then it's always worth sending a small test amount of crypto first, because if you key in the details wrong, then you will lose your funds. Once you are happy with everything, you can press withdraw, and then you can review the details one last time here. And if you are happy with this, you can press continue. You will then also need to complete any security verification requirements, such as entering a code from an authenticator app and a code from your email. And once you've done that, your crypto should be sent, and after a period of time, which varies due to lots of factors such as network, this should turn up on your other wallet. For those looking for new exchanges, I have put some links of the ones I use down in the description below, where some of them have deposit bonuses, and I may get a kickback if you sign up using them, and it massively helps support this channel, and I'll be forever thankful. So anyway, that is how to transfer crypto from Binance to another wallet or exchange. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.